Hi all, Sam here, lead teacher of ARC 201. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the drawing type known as diagram. You're going to hear the word diagram a lot if you continue on with the architecture program, and you'll be diagramming all the time. So we thought we would introduce you to it early in ARC 201 and get you comfortable with it so that you can start to learn how to read and create your own diagrams. A diagram is a drawing that explains or highlights a specific part or aspect of a project. A diagram is a visual expression of your thinking, and a good diagram can help you think. It can help you think about the arrangement of the parts of a project, or how people walk through a project, how a project relates to the landscape. It could explain the concept or idea behind the design, or the evolution of the design process into a clear idea. Diagrams simplify the project so that you can highlight a specific part. Look at this diagram of how people walk through the Bookstaver house. This is known as a circulation diagram. The lines on the page do not show every little detail of the house. See, here's a photo of the house. We can see that the diagram got rid of almost all the house and just shows the ground, floors, and stairs. Then it highlights the circulation path down the stairs with a dark shaded tone and an arrow at the bottom. Going back to the definition of a diagram, see how this one explains and highlights a specific part of the house. In this course, you'll use diagrams to explain or highlight your ideas about an architectural project. Early in the course, you'll use diagrams to study a precedent, but later on, you'll use diagrams to explain your own design work. There are many kinds of diagrams out there, and there are whole books devoted just to diagramming. We don't have to go too deep in this course. We can keep it pretty simple, and if you want, you can add some complexity later. But let me just show you two types of diagrams that I want you to know about. The first type is a sequence of simplified plans or sections that are aligned on a page and show either the evolution of an idea or how the elements of a project come together. The other type of diagram starts with a conventional drawing as a base, like a plan, section, or axon, that's been simplified to only what is necessary to explain the idea. Then you add analytical layers, like imaginary lines with distinctive line types, or arrows, or a tone that adds your ideas on top of the base drawing. Okay, so that's a really quick overview of diagram. If you're looking for more information, there's a PDF on Canvas that's all about diagramming, and it has lots of example images. If you have questions or comments, write them down and bring them to class.